Hello, my name is Evelyn of Computer Services, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Avast. First, let's go to our browser of choice. This could be Internet Explorer, Firefox, but today we're going to use Chrome. Let's go down there and click on it. Awesome. And now, let's go to our website to download it. computerservicesavast.com, or you can Google computer repair Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia. Okay, now let's go to all repair services and downloads and click on Avast. All versions of Avast are great and some have their advantages, but for now, let's stick with free antivirus, which is more than most people will need. Alright, then we're going to click this Download Now button and wait patiently. Oh, our download is done. If you're on Chrome, you can click here to run it, or you can go into your Downloads folder and find it right here. Let's run it now. Okay, Dropbox is a great program, but let's leave it alone for now. And click on Regular Installation. After reading the End User License Agreement, click Continue, and wait patiently for it to install. This should only take a minute. Once it's done installing, you'll click on Done, and a quick scan will run. That was how to install Avast. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at computerservicesfast.com or by giving us a call. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.